Alright, so I'm doing review of this Indesit IDC8T3B. That was replaced by that was the best a whole bunch of years since it like 12 years ago, I think. Like 14 years, I think, sometime ago. So we got a pregnant guy there. Your best cotton and synthetics here. Got your 100 minutes by time. It says center 8 and it's stuck on high heat, which is one. Yep, it's on the high heat standard cotton, and synthetics on the low heat, which means it says 17 to 19 minutes, I think. Doing on high heat now. There's Indesit logo here, and got a dine time, so you can see. You can select the dine time, so say how long to dine for, so you can see. Then you got a cool down, which means it says the cool close towels and sweets down. Yep. 150 minutes time timer, so you can see. I guess we need to see that. Got empty water, 80 kg. Okay. Got 8 kg, be close to 18 John. We've got a nice looking 8 kg there, so you can see. That looks smart. Let's see if the 8 kg John is smooth. No, not bad at all. Well, yeah. Not bad at all. Got nice looking holes there, so you can see. Got your link chap in blue, so you can see. Link chap in blue, so you can see. It's better than the link chap in grey. Yeah, so yeah. Down here we have Condenser. So you can see if the focus is down below, it goes straight into Condenser. So you can see. So I need to wash it out. Anything else to say? Got air intake. Got a metal fan, so you can see. Let's try like metal fan. Double latch. And it's got your empty water here. Got your Condenser tank. Yep. This is me empty out into the sink. I got the water taken out, I empty out the sink. It means because once the top here, it will press in. That's it. That's the heat of it. And the fridge turns off, so you can see. So that was the next video. Take care.